Hello, fashionistas. Welcome to the fashion world. African fashion has evolved over the years, and here at the fashion world, we are proud of ourselves for being able to contribute our quota from this end to that development, and we shall continue to push that narrative of African fashion as one of the favorite fashion and style globally. And just recently, I was going through the internet, stuffing the internet, looking at different fashion across the world, and I discovered that Adire is now becoming something that is being embraced globally. Adire has become an identity of those of us from Nigeria, especially the southwestern Nigeria, and it's going global now. People are now accepting it, and you are going to see some of it in this very video as they are rolling by on your screen already. African fashion is just beautiful. It's the renaissance of our culture. It tells our story. It's kind of a way of life for us, and we are loving it that it's being now embraced globally, just like our music. Afrobeat is getting all the love and attention globally, and we at the fashion world, we're also going to be pushing the best of our fashion to the global stage for people to know what we are capable of when we talk of fashion. As usual, sit back, relax, enjoy what we have come through for you today in this very video from the beginning to the end, and most definitely you will be glad you did. All props and credits in this video goes to those iconic fashion designers who are turning our fabrics from Adire to Ankara to lace and so on into all these terrific styles you've been seeing on this platform over the years. Big up to them. Enjoy this lovely masterpiece. Give this video a thumbs up if you find the styles and it's interesting, and subscribe if you have not done that, and also leave your thought below in the comment section. And fundamentally, don't forget to share this video with family and friends for us to able to spread the trend of African dresses and styles across the world. My name is BJ, a fashion enthusiast and a promoter of African print designs, and also an ambassador of African fashion. Wishing you a lovely and prosperous, peaceful working week ahead, and looking forward to the weekend. We've got a blast for you, and don't forget to click the join button to have exclusive of some of our content before others get to see them. I will see you at the end of the video. Thank you.
We've been living in sin so long, all the feels are gone. Fella stopped me on the street last night, said everything's alright. Roller coaster, make it through the day, I'm right. It seems your meal ticket is gone, but life goes on. I could never imagine something better. Yeah, right. Now you're cooking on high heat in the middle of the street. Roller coaster, take me to a better time. Let's go! All sing your high line with the roller coaster of life. Yeah. It's time to all choose your timeline on the roller coaster of life. You seem to easily forget how to place your bet when everyday life life gets you down, you gotta steal the crown. Got to own it. Don't bitch and moan about it, please. God forbid you scrape your knees, and it's nothing to sneeze at. Oh, I've told you over and over again, you gotta get both hands around it and make your own plans. Roller coaster, it's taking over, it's about time. Oh, sing your high line on the roller coaster of life. You've got to all choose your timeline with the roller coaster of life. Roller coaster. I want to go down the rabbit hole, down the rabbit hole of life. And now it's about to leave. Oh, roller coaster. I don't wanna tie you up now. I don't wanna do the thing. I don't wanna have you, baby. I just wanna have a fling. I wanna go down, stay, kissing your feet, and you make me crazy. Yeah. Tell me what you wanna do. Give me everything you got. I just wanna try to get you in the mood. I just wanna hit your spot. I wanna get low. Wanna get low. I wanna go down, stay, kissing your feet.
Thank you for watching that lovely video. Hope you enjoy what we brought to you today. If you do, give this video a thumbs up and help us to share this video with family and friends for us to even spread the trend across the globe. And don't forget to leave your thoughts below in the comment section. My name is BJ. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.